Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you common reasons for irregular periods. A normal menstrual cycle is of 28 days plus or minus 5 days, right? But if the periods is coming very late or very early or skipping months, it is considered as irregular. Coming to the causes, first one is hormonal imbalance, especially imbalance in the hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and prolactin. Like when these hormones fluctuate, it can cause irregular periods. And these hormone fluctuations usually occur at puberty, after childbirth, and before menopause. Second is certain medical condition such as PCOD, PCOS, thyroid problem, endometriosis, uterine fibroid, as well as diabetes. Third, stress or emotional changes. Emotional or physical stress can lead to irregular periods. Fourth one is diet and weight changes. Sudden weight gain or weight loss, eating disorders, or even poor nutrition can cause irregular menses. Fifth, excessive exercise. It can lead to irregular, scanty, or even missed periods. Sixth one is birth control pills and medication. Use of birth control pills or intrauterine devices can cause irregular periods. Use of certain medication, for example, antipsychotic or steroid, can also cause irregular menses. Seventh is lifestyle factors. Poor sleep, frequent travel, and night shift can disturb the body's natural rhythm, thus causing hormonal imbalance, which can further lead to irregular menses. To summarize, the cause of irregular periods can vary from simple lifestyle factor to major underlying health condition or underlying medical condition in a person. So if you face irregular periods very often, do not ignore it and consult a doctor, and homeopathy has very good scope in such cases. So I would suggest you that in such cases you can consult a homeopathic doctor. That's all for today's video. I hope this was useful. If it was, do share it with your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.